So what we're doing, guys, is we're laying out these strings right here to make beds. The wide ones are beds, the narrow ones are paths. A bunch of my family came out today to help us do a project, and we're working in the garden. Anna, my little sister, one of them, is over here laying out strings. Hey Anna, thanks for coming out and helping. My brother Christopher is out with his wife Tori getting wood chips. What's my dad doing? I think my dad's unloading the bathtub. We're talking about seeds and what we're gonna grow as we hoe and hoe and hoe.
See, I think this will be all of the cold weather stuff. Yeah. All these beds, and then we'll fill up there with our squash. Yeah.
Here comes the wood chips, but it looks like he's stuck in the mud. Is he in four-wheel drive? I don't know. He's in four-wheel drive with a pretty heavy load, so it is sloppy wet. Boards, all right. All right, we got him out. We had him just pulling down, took the fence down right here. He swung out through there, down and around, and now, guess what? We're gonna try it again. I told him this time to come between these two barns at 40 miles per hour. I hope he knew I was joking. Imagine that. Where is the bathtub?
Where is it?
Yeah, where'd you put it?
I didn't put it. Christopher, where's the bathtub?
Where's the bathtub, Christopher?
It is down by the road.
Oh, thanks. 3 inches, sounds good. This is looking awesome.
Sweet.
Good job.
Look at this, this is looking so good.
I know, garden bed's done before May.
You're almost ready to plant.
Done before, what month is it? Refreshments, what are those?
Carrot cartwheels.
Say it again.
Carrot cartwheels.
Carrot cartwheels. Thank you so much. Strawberries and carrots. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
A while ago.
You've been hardworking?
Yeah, but a while ago.
A while ago you were hardworking?
Oh, they're so cute.
Hey.
What do you think?
Oh my goodness. We're gonna actually reach our goal, which is to have a spring garden.
Exciting.
One thing?
Are you
Like my
glad we
shirt?
just focused on the garden? I like your shirt. There's our new t-shirt, Pasture Raised Kids.
Check out our link. It's just right under this video. There's like pictures. We have all different styles, all different colors, all different sizes, and there's even some for the kids. It's a really cute shirt. It's my favorite one we've made. She's like a little antelope.
We didn't cue that Pasture Raised Kid.
No, we didn't cue that. That was totally authentic just then.
Call it with me.
While y'all are here, I'd like to just share a few words with you while everyone's gathered. Thank you for building the garden beds with us.
Yay!
Thank you.
Try not.
It's a sunny, beautiful afternoon after lunch. We're having coffee and the kids have been sunbathing in the yard.
In their bathing suits.
Dad, film this, Daggy.
Why is there a bathtub in the yard?
My dad brought it.
Yeah? What bathtub? Oh.
What'd you find?
5 more eggs.
That's cool.
No, 8 eggs today.
Yay!
That's good stuff. Can't see.
Woohoo! Ah. Woohoo! Ah.
You can't see the garden.
It's too
far.
It's too bright. It's a nice bathtub.
spread out rather than.
That fence is on. It's a good bathtub. Thanks for the bathtub.
Yeah. When are you going to use it?
Well, not right now. We're so appreciative that all of our family made the effort and came all the way out here to help us.
All I got to say is we have a garden and we're gonna actually have one for the spring. It has been a very long time.